What's up, guys? This is Trey with Smart Home Starter, and today we're going to walk through setting up our Blink outdoor camera. So what I have in front of me is basically everything that came in the box, right? So we have obviously the box. Let's just move those out of the way. We have the sync module here. We have a mount. We have the actual camera. We have the power here for the sync module. We have 2 screws for mounting, and it also came with 2 Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Let's just drop those right here. Now we're also going to need our phone, and we're going to actually use this to set up our account to hook all of this up. So let's start with that. I'm going to actually create an account. We're going to choose which country you live in. I'm in the US, so I'm going to hit next. Choose my region. I am in the central United States, and we'll hit next. And then for our email, we will use whatever email you want to set up. And we're going to hit next. We're going to create a password, so you guys can go ahead and create your password while I create mine. There we go. And now we're going to create an account. All right, so it looks like I need to verify my email. So give me 1 second. And off screen. Verify. All right. So next it looks like they're going to ask us to put in our phone number. So I'll add mine now. And here's my code. I love iOS and that feature. There we go. It says Blink would like to send you notifications. We're going to not allow that. And then the next screen is link here, Blink and Amazon accounts. So I'm probably going to skip this for now, but it says linking to an Amazon account is required to activate Blink subscription plans and allows you to manage your plans on Amazon.com. So you can set that up. We'll probably do a video on it another time, but for now we'll skip. So it looks like they got a new product. That looks cool. Might get it, but for now we'll dismiss that. And here we go. We have access to the Blink app. So I think we need to go up here and choose what device we want to add. So we are going to start with the sync module. Okay, so it needs a camera. Fair enough. All right, it says capture the QR code on the device or enter the serial number manually. Okay, so let's grab this. On the back side of this module is our QR code. So let me just scan it. And it says choose a system for sync module 2. A system is a group of cameras that can be armed, disarmed, and scheduled together. There is a limit of 1 sync module per system. So yeah, let's set one up. We're just going to call it Smart Home Starter. Spell that right. Done. All right, so now it says plug in your sync module and wait for the lights to display. So that's where our power comes in. So we're going to take this. Let's see. There was plastic on this. I already took it off. But we'll connect this. Perfect. And I have power right here, so let me just plug this in. There we go. So we have 1 blue light, and plug in your sync module and wait for lights to display. If the lights don't display blinking blue and steady green after 30 seconds, press and hold the reset button until you see a red light. This may take several seconds. Okay, so let's do discover device. We'll join that Wi-Fi network. Oh, okay. Check to make sure. Okay, so I went a little bit too soon. So now you see we got the steady green and the blinking blue. And we are going to discover device and join. Let's see, it's loading. And those Ring doorbell notifications constantly coming in. I gotta learn how to turn that down, turn that off. Loading, loading. There we go. So we need to add sync module, Wi-Fi networks and range. So we gotta find our Wi-Fi. It's us. And we put in a password. Alright, so we put in the password for our Wi-Fi, and now it says it's connecting to Blink servers, and we will let it keep loading. So while this is loading, I'm actually going to switch gears, and what we're going to do is with the camera, we're going to take the mounting piece, and we're going to pop off this back rubber. There we go. And we're gonna get this screw, and we're basically gonna take this back cover off. So we're just gonna unscrew this. Unscrew. There we go. I'm just gonna pop that off. It looks like this is ready. So Sync Module 2 has been added to the Smart Home Starter system. Great. So we're gonna hit done. All right. So now we need to add one more device, and that device is obviously gonna be our camera. So with the back of the camera off, what we can do is take our lithium batteries and drop those in. Remember, this is the lithium only. If you want this to last the 2 years that it's advertised, definitely go with the Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Okay, we're gonna leave this open because I do think we're gonna need that QR code. All right, so back to the phone. What we're gonna do is hit this plus icon again, and we're gonna find our wireless camera, and we're going to select that one. Yep, now we're gonna scan our QR code, boom. All right, and it says choose a system for your outdoor camera. So again, the system is a group of cameras that can be armed, disarmed, and scheduled together. So what we're gonna do is add this to Smart Home Starter, the one we just created. And now that this is done, we can throw this back cover back on and just use our handy dandy tool here to tighten this back up. Now this is going to be outside. You want to make sure it's good and tight. We definitely don't want any water getting in there. Alright, let's make sure that this is still going. Alright, so it says that it is updating firmware, so who knows how long that's going to take. But in the meantime, we can take a look at what they have to say about positioning the camera. So we want to avoid waving tree branches and shrubbery, the sun in the sky. Where else would the sun be? Vehicles or pedestrians in the distance, and visitors approaching directly toward the camera. Right, pretty straightforward. So it looks like this thing was blinking red. Does that mean it's connecting or updating? there we go. And success. So camera has been added successfully. So we'll hit next. So we have, looks like they're giving us a free trial. Your free 30-day trial has been activated and covers all devices on your account. You won't be charged when the trial ends, and you can cancel at any time. Cool. Never miss a moment. Looks like some more marketing stuff. So we'll just hit done. And you know what? Let's test this. So I'm gonna point this thing right over here. And let's see if it works. Pulling up, pulling up. So I see a blue light on front. All right, so that was weird, but it worked. And yeah, we'll hit OK. Yeah. So we are good. So close that. And just like that, that is how you set up your new Blink outdoor camera. Next, we can go through quickly how you would mount this thing. So in the box, we should have had 2 screws in this mount. Now it's pretty straightforward. Let's just use the box as a demonstration. What we would do is wherever we're mounting it, we would grab our nails and just screw it in, right? So we have the 2 holes on either side, and we're just going to screw that into a fence or the side of our house or whatever. And from there, what we'll do is just pop this in to the back. Just pop it. There we go. There we go. Good pop. And now these 2 screws, of course, this is going to be mounted on something, but from there we can angle it down, we can angle it up. However we want to set that up, we can do it, any which way we like. So that's it. Pretty easy to set this camera up. If you could, give us a like, follow the page, and check out smarthomestarter.com. We have a lot of great content going up daily. And also we have this new tech service. It's called Tech Supportal. It's basically your on-demand tech support. It's a subscription service, $14.99 a month or $149 a year. And you have access to tech professionals to help you do things like this whenever you need 24/7. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.